try to understand the role of microbes in industrial and commercial production of certain chemicals like various type of organic acids and ethanol and so many other useful chemicals and strains. As you know, in this topic, chemicals, enzymes and other bioactive molecules. So in this, first we will go through some kind of microbes that are responsible or they are considered as producers for the production of various type of organic acids. So in this sequence, the very first is what? The very first is what? Aspergillus niger. Aspergillus niger is what? A type of fungus that is supposed to be a producer to produce large amount of citric acid. Aspergillus niger, a kind of fungus, and it acts as a producer to produce a large amount, or it also helpful for the commercial production of citric acid. You know guys, you just go through with these microbes and their role to produce what they are producing type of chemical or acid. It is very important because it is very important for your board exam as well as it is very important for your NEET or medical preparation if you are opt for. Then the next type of microbe or bacteria is what? Acetobacter aceti. The next type of bacteria is what? Acetobacter aceti. It is what? A bacteria, and it is considered as a producer for the commercial production of acetic acid. Then the next is what? Clostridium botulicum. Next is what? Clostridium botulicum. That is also a type of bacteria, and it is considered as a producer of to produce the type of butyric acid. It is considered as for the commercial production of butyric acid. Then next is lactobacillus, a very common. You know, earlier in the earlier topic of this chapter, you know that lactic acid is very important for the conversion of milk into curd by their coagulation action. Another important role is what of lactobacillus is to produce the lactic acid in large amount for various other vital uses. So guys, this is what the role of fungus, bacteria for the production of various type of organic acid. Then one more example of the yeast that yeast you also have studied in the beginning of this topic of the chapter. That is Saccharomyces cerevisiae or Saccharomyces cerevisiae. That is a kind of yeast, and this yeast is known for the commercial production of ethanol. This Saccharomyces cerevisiae yeast, it is used for the commercial production of ethanol. These are positive microbe. What they are producing or what they are meant for the production of what? This is what the chart. It is very important. Go through with it. And the next is what? Enzymes. Certain enzymes are also play a significant role in our commercial production. Commercial production means what? Let's suppose here I am putting an example of lipase. You in 10th you have studied your digestive system. In 11th you have also studied your digestive system, and you know this lipase enzyme. This lipase enzyme is for the digestion of what? It is for the digestion of lipid. This lipase enzyme is for the digestion of lipid or fat. So you know when we are supposed to have any oily food, and when that some remains of that food or some remains of oil when supposed to drop down on the surface of cloth, then we are supposed to wash that cloth is with the help of detergent. So when in that detergent there are maybe a dirt of oil or grease, any kind of oil, grease or likewise, then the detergent used is contain what? This enzyme. Then the detergent that contain what? This lipase enzyme. And so with the help of this lipase that are present in that detergent, the oil or grease or likewise dirt are removed with the help of the action of this enzyme. So I mentioned over here, used to remove stains from cloth. So this enzyme is very helpful in laundry industry to work in during washing the clothes in our household practices or in laundry industry, right? Then another very important role of enzyme, that is pectinase and proteases. The very important role of another enzyme is what? Pectinase and proteases. You know, the outermost covering. The outermost covering of fruit is what? Pectin. The outermost covering of fruit is what? Pectin. So when we are supposed to, when the industries are preparing the fruit juice with the help of these fruits, so first of all there is a need to dissolve this outermost layer, and this outermost layer is what? Made up from pectin. So to remove or to digest or to resolve this pectin, there is one enzyme, that is pectinase. This pectin is further resolved or digest with the help of enzyme, that is pectinase. Then the next important enzyme is what? Proteases. Uh, Pectinase and proteases both are important. When you anytime when you drink the bottled fruit juice, there are two type of bottled fruit juice. One may have pulp in them, and one don't have pulp in them. Fruity, Tropicana. There are so many type of bottled fruit juice. You maybe notice that in one type of bottled fruit juice, the pulp is there, but in another, in fact, most of the bottled fruit juice are not containing pulp in them. They are clear. They are like a water, or they are just a diluted liquid. So the dissolving of pulp or the digestion of pulp in that bottled fruit juice is done by the help of proteases as well as with the help of pectinase and proteases. Pectinase and proteases both to digest or dissolve the pulp from the bottled fruit juice, but pectinase is also for the digestion of pectin, the outermost covering of fruit. So guys, pectinase and proteases are very important to purified bottled fruit juice. Now, important microbes like bacteria Streptococcus. This bacteria Streptococcus produce a very particular type of chemical or substance, that is streptokinase. Streptokinase is considered as a very significant or effective clot buster. Clot buster means what? When a patient or a person supposed to have a heart attack, this heart attack is generally known as myocardial infarction. This heart attack is generally referred as myocardial infarction. So the injection of this streptokinase is very significant, very effective. If any person have myocardial infarction of heart attack, then first of all that person or patient must have this injection of streptokinase to remove that clot. So this is one important role of this bacteria in medical. Then other is what? Cyclosporin A. Cyclosporin A is produced by a fungus, and that fungus is Trichoderma polysporum. cyclosporin A, that is another important type of medicine in medical industry, and it is produced by one important fungus, that is Trichoderma polysporum. And what is cyclosporin? It acts as a immunosuppressive agent. What is the mean of immunosuppressive agent? It help for those patients they have organ transplant in them. Guys, you know, in our body there is a system, there is a particular system. That particular system is referred as immune system. That particular system is referred as immune system. And this immune system is what? When any kind of substance, foreign substance or antigen, when any kind of foreign substance or antigens when enter inside the body, then the cells of immune system or the army or the antibiotics of this immune system, when the type of foreign body or when the type of antigen get invade in our body, they at once supposed to kill them. They at once showing a quick action and to prevent the entry of them, or if they get entered, so they kill them. So what happened during organ transplant? When a new organ is supposed to transplant in a body of any human or a patient or a person, then this organ that is supposed to transplant in the body, the immune system of that patient will consider that organ as a foreign substance or as a antigen. So the immune system of that person will attack on that organ that is supposed to transplant in the body of that person. So that will further create so many critical conditions. So to prevent this, the cyclosporin A is provided to the patient that act as a immunosuppressive agent, and it prevent the action of the person's body's immune system. So this is very important, and this is produced by a fungus, that is Trichosporum or Trichoderma polysporum. This is produced by a fungus Trichoderma polysporum. Then next is what? Statin. It is also very important. Statin is what? Statin is generally considered as blood cholesterol lowering agent. Statin is generally considered as blood cholesterol lowering agent, and it is produced with the help of a yeast, and this yeast is what? Monoscus purpurus. Monoscus purpurus is a type of yeast that further produce a particular medicine, that is statin. Statin is what? Cholesterol that present in blood cholesterol lowering agent. You know what happened? Generally, you know, in our when we are supposed to have eatables, in our food, there is fat or lipid or cholesterol. This lipid is generally of two types, HDL or LDL. High density lipid or high density lipoprotein, low density lipid or low density lipoprotein. And you know, this LDL is generally considered as more risky, more lethal, because this LDL, low density lipid or low density lipoprotein, is able to move with the help of blood into various parts of the body. So when it moved in blood vessel, then what happened? Let's suppose this is what blood vessel. If you have a TS, it will seems like this. So this LDL, when moving from the one organ to another with the help of blood, then what happened? It accumulate on the inner lumen of that blood vessel. This LDL when moved with the inside the blood vessel, then meanwhile movement it deposit on the inner lumen of blood vessel. So the lumen area become narrow, when lumen area constricted, when lumen become narrow, then there is a increase in the flow of blood that further increase blood pressure. And when blood pressure will increase, you know, so many type of further complications will develop. And to remove all that, there is what the blood cholesterol lowering agent is given to that person, and this is what statin that we have discussed earlier. So guys, in this video you came to know that microbes are producing various type of chemicals. In the beginning of video I told you about the production of organic acid, some enzymes, lipase, pectinase, proteases. One is for laundry industry, one is for the cleanliness of bottled fruit juice. Then other bioactive molecule you came to know in such a way that cyclosporin A, statin, and so many type of other bioactive molecules are there that are further prepared by with the help of microbes. But if we talk about the NCERT or 12th bio, this is what your concern that we have discussed in this